Hi everybody, how to replace the chain from the mini chainsaw. Thank you for tuning in and watching my channel. Thank you for your support, and today we are going to show you how to change the chain on a Joven chainsaw. So here is the chainsaw with the Joven. First, let me remove the battery, then loosen the nut button. You can unscrew it by hand without any tools. This is very convenient. Then remove the cover plate and remove the guide plate. Now, replace with a new chain. Open the bag containing the chain, take out the chain, clip the new chain into the guide groove, like this. Pay attention to the direction of the chain gear. This is a demonstration. Please carefully observe the icons on the guide board. The chain must be installed in the correct direction, as shown in the video. It is correct demonstration. Make the direction of the chain gear match the icon. Install the chain in the guide plate groove, then install both the chain and guide plate onto the electric saw. A particularly important point, align the guide plate with the groove, as shown in the icon. Last, just need to install the cover plate, turn the bottom knob, adjust the tightness of chain. This is a crucial step. If you feel that the chain is too tight, turn right. If you feel that the chain is too loose, turn left, turn right or turn left. Until the 1 to 3 middle guide teeth are exposed in the pull-down chain, it is best. Now, tighten the nut. Complete those steps for replacing the chain.